Welcome to our channel where luxury meets precision. Today, we are diving into the world of Rolex, the crown jewel of Swiss watchmaking. From the iconic Submariner to the elegant Datejust, Rolex timepieces are more than just watches, they're symbols of success, innovation, and timeless style. Whether you're a seasoned collector or a first time admirer, join us as we explore the craftsmanship, history, and allure behind these legendary watches. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know your favorite Rolex model in the comments. Let's get started. Number 5. Rolex Oyster Perpetual Simplicity Redefined. The Rolex Oyster Perpetual is the epitome of timeless elegance and reliability. This 41 oyster case, crafted from robust stainless steel, features a sleek and minimalist dial available in a variety of vibrant colors, including blue, silver, and green. The simple yet iconic design, with its chromalite markers and hands, ensures excellent visibility in all lighting conditions. Powered by the Rolex Caliber 3230, a self-winding mechanical movement, the Oyster Perpetual offers exceptional precision, a 70-hour power reserve, and superior resistance to shocks and magnetism. The Oyster bracelet ensures comfort and durability, making it ideal for everyday wear. Number 4. Rolex Day Date 40, the pinnacle of prestige. The Rolex Day Date 40 is a timeless symbol of luxury and precision, embodying the pinnacle of Swiss watchmaking. Known as the President's Watch, it has graced the wrists of world leaders, celebrities, and visionaries since its debut in 1956. Crafted from the finest materials, including 18K gold or platinum, the Day Date 40 exudes elegance and sophistication. Its iconic design features a date display at 12 o'clock and a date window at 3 o'clock, both showcased on a flawless dial. Powered by the advanced Caliber 3255 movement, it offers exceptional accuracy and a 70-hour power reserve. The Oyster case ensures water resistance, while the President bracelet provides unmatched comfort. Number 3. Rolex Sky Dweller Travel in Style. The Rolex Sky Dweller is a masterpiece of innovation and elegance, designed for the modern globetrotter. As Rolex's most complicated watch, it combines a dual time zone function with an annual calendar, making it the ultimate travel companion. The intuitive ring command bezel allows seamless adjustment of its sophisticated features, while the patented Saros annual calendar automatically differentiates between 30 and 31-day months. Crafted from premium materials like 18K gold or Rolza, the Sky Dweller exudes luxury and durability. Its bold 42 case houses the Caliber 9001 movement, offering unparalleled precision and a 72-hour power reserve. The striking dial, available in various colors, is both functional and visually captivating. Paired with the Oyster or Jubilee bracelet, the Sky Dweller blends comfort with timeless design. Number 2. Rolex Datejust 31 Grace and Versatility. The Rolex Datejust 31 is a timeless classic, blending elegance and functionality in a compact design. Since its introduction in 1945, the Datejust has become an icon of sophistication, and the 31 version is perfect for those seeking a refined yet versatile timepiece. Crafted from luxurious materials like 18K gold, Rolza, or stainless steel, it features the signature fluted bezel and Jubilee or Oyster bracelet, offering both style and comfort. The dial, available in a range of colors and finishes, is adorned with Roman numerals, diamond markers, or classic battens, catering to diverse tastes. Powered by the reliable Caliber 2236 movement, it includes a siloxy hairspring for enhanced precision and a 55-hour power reserve. The Cyclops lens over the date display adds a distinctive touch. Number 1. Rolex Submariner. The Rolex Submariner is the epitome of dive watches, renowned for its rugged durability and iconic design. Introduced in 1953, it was the first watch waterproof to 100 meters, setting the standard for underwater timepieces. Today, the Submariner boasts a water resistance of 300 meters, making it a favorite among divers and adventurers. Crafted from oyster steel, gold, or rolsa, its robust oyster case and unidirectional rotatable bezel ensure reliability in the harshest conditions. The sleek black, blue, or green dial features luminescent markers for optimal readability, even in the depths. Powered by the caliber 3235 movement, it offers exceptional precision and a 70-hour power reserve. The Oyster bracelet provides comfort and security, while the glide lock extension allows easy adjustments.